If you have a square video, vertical or horizontal, and you want to change it into another format, you are in the right place. I'm gonna show you how to do it in Canva. First, open any design, for example here 16:9. Then upload your video. I'm gonna show you an example with this square format video where is a bird eating from a hand. Even if I resize the video, I still have white blank spaces on the right side and left side. To correct it, just double click on the video, then press and hold Shift on your keyboard. While holding Shift on your keyboard, just click on one of these corners and drag it to fit the design and to fill the blank spaces. Also do it for the other side. As you can see here, you still have this cropped window. If you let it go, you will have a cropped video. So just also click and drag to expand these corners as well. In the end, you will have a truly stretch video like this. Let's put this text behind the video by clicking on the layer and bring it to the back. So we transformed a square format video into a 16:9 video by stretching. You can also do it vertically. So here you can see that I use the same video square format and transformed it into a vertical video without blank spaces. You can transform any video by stretching into another format. In the end, just download your video as an MP4 file. Thank you for watching and see you next time.